This video shows how to set up and use the Scan to Network folder feature on an HP LaserJet Pro MFP printer using HP's Software Wizard in Windows. These instructions apply to all LaserJet Pro MFPs, but the steps might vary slightly depending on the model. To set up this scan feature, the printer must be connected to a network. Depending on the server security requirements, additional security authentication might be required. The product should be connected to the same wired or wireless network as your computer. HP recommends that the printer network be set to DHCP and not manual IP. To make sure your product is connected to a network, from the home screen on the product control panel, touch the network button to display the wired IP address, or touch the wireless button to display the wireless IP address. To access the wizard, from the computer, click the Start button, then the Programs or All Programs folder. Click HP, click the Product Name folder, and then click Scan to Network Folder Wizard. If the Scan to Network Folder Wizard option does not exist or does not work, this indicates that the wizard was not properly installed during the initial printer setup. In that case, please refer to another video showing how to set up Scan to Network folder using HP Embedded Web Server, or EWS. To add a new network folder, click the New button. On the Start page, enter the display name of the folder that will appear on the control panel in the display name box. Depending on your printer model, the screen might look slightly different and the fields might appear on multiple pages. Click the Share Path button to set up a share path. In the Manage Network Shares dialog box, click New. Enter a share name you want to display in the Share Name box. Click the Browse button to find an existing folder to be shared on your computer, or create a new folder by clicking the Make New Folder button. Click OK. Type in a description for this shared path if you want. For security consideration, HP recommends you select Private for the shared type. Click Apply to apply the new settings. When a dialog box showing the share was successfully created appears, click OK. Click the checkbox for the path to be shared, then click OK. To secure the folder from unauthorized access, enter a 4-digit PIN. You will be prompted to enter the PIN on the product control panel every time before using the profile. Click the Next button. On the Authenticate page, enter the username and password for your computer. Then click the Next button. On the Configure page, adjust the scan settings if necessary. Enter a file name prefix in the File Name Prefix area. For example, if you enter MyScan as a prefix file name, your scanned file name might appear as MyScan0001. Then click the Next button. On the Finish page, click the Save and Test button. You might have to wait several minutes while the configuration is tested. When the Congratulations message appears, click the Finish button to complete the network folder setup. You have successfully set up the Scan to Network folder feature. You can now save documents and images scanned from the printer to this folder. Next, we will show you how to use Scan to Network folder from the printer's control panel. To use the Scan to Network folder feature, follow these steps. Lift the scanner assembly and load the document on the scanner glass according to the indicators on the product. Close the scanner assembly. You might also load the document in the automatic document feeder. Touch the Scan button on the printer's control panel. Touch Scan to Network folder. From the list of network folders, select the folder where you want to save the document. Type in the 4-digit PIN that was previously configured in the wizard. Touch the OK button. The control panel screen will display the scan settings. If you want to change any of the settings, touch the Settings button and then change the settings. Touch the Scan button to start the scan job. When you finish, you will be able to verify the scanned file in the network folder that was previously configured. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP Printer Support.